Now, experts warn the public about fake online receipts created using artificial intelligence. Here's the report.
This looks like a legitimate transaction receipt from an online banking app, but that receipt is fake and AI generated. This is the subject of a viral post from a netizen who claims to have been victimized by a fraudulent payment. The fake receipt, allegedly sent by a former classmate as payment, looked authentic, but no money was actually credited to the victim's account. That's when they discovered the transaction receipt was fake. According to the NBI Cybercrime Division, it is indeed possible to fake digital receipts using artificial intelligence. To test the method, NBI personnel replicated the viral post by using an AI chatbot. They sent a screenshot of a legitimate online receipt and asked the bot to recreate it. Just like in the viral case, they were able to produce a fake receipt. However, experts say that upon closer inspection, some AI-generated images may show telltale signs of tampering.
Makikita nyo rito, ina-edit ko, nabago yung name, nabago yung number. Yung sa amount, may mali siyang pagka-edit. Sa halip na comma, naging period. Tapos, yung iba, nagagawa niya na maayos. Pero, yung font na iba.
The NBI warns the public not to trust too easily, even if the sender is someone you know.
Lagi po nyo i-verify kung merong perang pumasok. Kung sasabihin na may maintenance, huwag kayo magpo-proceed sa transaction.
Meanwhile, data security advocate Ronald Gustillo of Digital Pinoys suggested that AI apps should come with built-in security features to prevent misuse.
Pwede nilang i-ban yung mga prompt na mag-generate ng mga transaction receipts. Pwede nilang i-limit yung yung i-generate ng kanilang ng kanilang software.
Reporting for News 5, Elaine Fulgencio, We Are One News.